What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we are going to be doing October's Boxycharm unboxing. This month's theme for Boxycharm is Boxy After Dark, which I think is super cute. Perfect for like spooky October and Halloween and stuff. So I can't wait to dig into the box and unbox everything together. We're also going to be doing a little mini tutorial / try on with the products so we can try them on and see how they work. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you have not already and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button to be notified of all my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so when we open it up, we have this little pamphlet. Normally it's like a little postcards month. It's a little bit bigger, which basically outlines all of the products as well as their pricing and everything. And then on the back here, it actually talks about the new Boxycharm 2.0, which is going to be starting November 1st. So basically starting November 1st, Boxycharm is going to be $25 per month, and you're going to be guaranteed now $125 value, where previously it was $100 value. And you're also going to be guaranteed 5 full-size beauty products every month. I believe previously it was 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. And then it says here, they're also going to be adding customization. So it says now receive foundation or concealer products matched to your skin tone as if you went to the store. Swatch the different shades of the complexion blister pack that we will send you in November's Boxy. So I guess they're going to be sending a pack in November's Boxycharm so you can swatch different like complexion options to give you more customization for like foundations and concealers, which I don't believe currently come in Boxycharm. This next edition I'm really excited for. So this is actually going to be giving you a choice each month. You're going to be able to go in and pick an exact product that you want in your box. So every single month you're going to be guaranteed one choice of something that you're going to pick out to be sent to you in your box. And if you're a Boxyluxe subscriber, you're going to be guaranteed 1 to 3 products in your Boxyluxe box. So that's actually really cool that you can like go in and actually choose exactly what it is that you want, at least 1 product per month. And then there's also going to be add-ons. You can actually buy products to add on to your box each month at exclusive discounted rates, like through Boxycharm. So that's pretty cool. You can go in and like add more stuff if you'd like. And then there's also going to be a Boxy pop-up every single quarter. So I believe the next one is in November, where you can get products at up to 80% off, which is really crazy. So there's like makeup, skincare, lifestyle products, and that will be done every quarter now. So it's pretty cool. Definitely some exciting changes. And again, that's all going to be starting in November. I also believe they're going to be having something called Boxy Premium, which it says right here, which is over $175 value per month at $35. So it's giving you a lot of different customization options and boxes that you can choose from now, which I think is really cool. So there'll be different price ranges and things for different people. So that is really exciting. And those are basically the changes that are going to be starting next month. But again, it's all going to be outlined on the back of this pamphlet that they'll send you in your box. There is a little Facetune giveaway here too, which is pretty cool, where you win over $1,000 subscription to Boxycharm and $1,000 Boxy pop-up credit. So that's pretty legit. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this box and unbox what is in this box. But I figured that I would outline all the changes for you guys first, in case y'all had any questions. So, I cannot wait. Okay, so I see this big thing right here. What is this? Iconic London Prep Set and Glow. Shake well for an even glow. Oh, okay, so it's just like a setting spray? Yeah, so it says refresh throughout the day for additional hydration and illumination. You can also use this before you moisturize or to finish your makeup. So it's basically primer, setting spray, and throughout the day kind of refresher. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, I'm really excited to try this. Yay! Ooh, up next I see a Blushing Berries from Dose of Colors. Oh, it's a palette. Yes. Super cute. I have tried Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. I thought this was going to be like a liquid lipstick like little trio or something, but it's a palette. I've never tried their eyeshadows, I don't believe. It looks very pretty, so perfect for fall. I love these berry shades. It does come with a dual-sided brush as well. So that is beautiful. They're all matte, different kind of berry shades, so I'm excited to try that. Ooh, I forgot to tell you guys the values of these stuff. I was getting too excited. So the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow is a $29 value, and the Dose of Colors palette is a $32 value. So we're already over the price of the box. Then also from Iconic London, we have a lip gloss. This is a lip plumping gloss in the shade Love Struck. Love it, like a little nude shade, and the value on this guy is $26. Then we have a Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. Ooh, okay, we got a tinted brow gel right here in the shade Dark Brown. This is $16 value. And then last but not least, we have this Hollywood and Vine Velvet Touch Khol Liner, which is this pretty purple shade. Do a little swatch of her. Ooh, very pretty, like jewel toned purple, and the value on that is $7. So let's go ahead and add up the value of everything, and then we'll go ahead and wear it and try it on. Okay, so the eyeshadow palette is $32. Then the Iconic London spray is $29. The lip plumping lip gloss is $26. The tinted brow gel is $16, and then the eyeliner is $7, giving us $110 value. So next month, you're gonna be guaranteed even more than this month, basically, because you're gonna be guaranteed at least $125 value, where currently it's $100 value is what you're guaranteed. So next month, it's gonna be above and beyond. I already can't wait for November, but I do think this box was really, really good as well, so I can't wait to try these products on. And anyone new that signs up to Boxycharm this month is going to be getting a free gift. So I will have a link down below to sign up to Boxycharm if you guys are interested. I'll have it right below in the description box, so you can check that out there. All right, first things first, I need to try this spray because it is just so dang pretty. And I also did my foundation like a long time ago. Obviously it's nighttime now, you guys can see behind me. So it's been on my face for a while and I feel like we need to refresh. Ooh. Oh my God, this smells so good. Look at that glow. This is so cool. What the heck? I did not expect that at all. I literally opened my eyes and I have a mirror down here and I was like, whoa. She is glowing. All right, let's give it a second to like set down on our face, but that is crazy. All right, so it has set down on my face now. It gave such a pretty glow to my skin. I definitely think this would be really, really beautiful as a primer too. Like if you don't want like all over glow after your foundation is done, you could definitely use this before to add like a luminous glow to your skin and then do your foundation on top of it. But it is really, really, really beautiful. And if you like to glow like me, then you're gonna love it. All right, now we're gonna go in with the little eyeshadow palette. And I'm first gonna go in with this shade right here and buff that into our crease. Ooh, she is pigmented and she is pretty. I love these kind of berry shades, especially for fall. So, so pretty with a nice like berry lip. Oh, I live. And these seem to be really, really pigmented. I know their liquid lipsticks are really pigmented from Dose of Colors, but like I said, I haven't really tried many of their other products. And I think the liquid lipstick that I got from Dose of Colors was actually in a previous Boxycharm. And I did really enjoy it, so the shadows seem to be pretty good so far. So I'm just buffing that into my crease and upper crease area. Then I'm gonna go in with a little brush in the palette and go in with this shade and start to work that into the crease to build up color and kind of deepen it up a bit. It has also been a long time since I've done like an all matte eye look, so I'm actually pretty excited today. Next, I'm gonna go in with this True Berry shade right here, and I'm gonna pack this shade all over the lid. Like so. Definitely very, very pigmented shadows in this palette, because this is like completely dry brush and everything. I didn't add any water or Fix Plus to my brush, and it's applying really well. So just packing this on both eyelids, and then we are gonna go in and smoke it out a little bit more. Now I'm gonna go in with this deepest shade to really smoke it out. And I'm gonna bring that in the crease and blend everything and smoke everything out. I am living for this berry color. Oh, I die. So fall and festive. Oh. On the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in and mix these two guys together and just buff that on the lower lashes. Super, super pretty. I really, really like this. I'm gonna pop on some lashes real quick. All right, lashes are on. Now we're gonna go in with the eyeliner. Again, this is Hollywood and Vine Khol Crayon Liner in the shade Purple. And I'm gonna pop this guy right on the lower lash line just to add that purple. Probably should have done this before I did the mascara, but I didn't think of it. But I'm gonna pop it right here to really make that purple shade pop. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. This just adds that nice little purple pop, like with the berry. And then I'm just gonna pop a little black liner that I have in my waterline. I normally do white liner in the waterline, but I figured since we're doing like a smokier eye, I would use black today. Alrighty, now we have the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. I'm gonna go in with this. I do have brow products on my brows already, but I don't have any sort of brow gel on them. It's just a brow pencil, so I'm going to go in with this to set my brows in place. This is actually really nice because it's not overly waxy, so it doesn't give like a fake look to your brows. And I think if you have nothing on your brows, this would also just enhance them a little bit. I'll do like a swatch on my hand to show you guys. This is a dark brown shade, but that's like the color that it is. So it's definitely gonna give your brows tint. So if you're just having like a natural brow day, run through your brows with this and you don't need anything else. Or you can use it to set your brows, which is like what I'm doing, and keep them in place all day and also add a little bit of texture to them and kind of make the brows look a little fluffier, you know? And this did just deepen my brows a smidge too because of the tint to it. Alrighty, and then last but not least, we have the iconic London Lip Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Love Struck. I have nothing on my lips right now, but I figured we'll just put it on. It doesn't look like it's gonna be super pigmented or anything because it is a gloss, not like, you know, a lipstick or anything, but I figured we would go in on bare lips to see. Such a pretty little baby pink color. I love glosses that are this shade. Ooh, it smells like peppermint. I like that. So it's gonna make your breath smell good. And just gives a nice little glossy look to your lips. You can of course definitely put like a lipstick or some sort of color underneath this. And I can definitely feel the tingling too. It feels cool. It doesn't like hurt though. Like there are some lip plumping lip glosses that like hurt. This one doesn't. It just feels like tingly. At least not yet. I'll wait like 5 minutes and let you guys know. Alright, so it's been about 3 minutes. Never did it hurt, just the little tingles. Like I said, it feels like cool if anything else. Like it almost feels like cooling on lips, but does not hurt whatsoever at all. So A+ in that category if you were nervous. Don't worry, just gonna give a nice little plump glossy look to your lips with no pain. Alrighty, you guys. So that is everything in this month's box. I really like the eye look and everything that we were able to create today. Definitely let me know what you guys think down below or what you got in your box this month because there are slight variations, so boxes aren't the same. So definitely let me know down below. I think my favorite item this month was the eyeshadow palette. I really, really liked this and I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!